all of you in my channel. Today I will show you how to install Java in your Windows operating system. So let's begin. For that, firstly we will need to check whether the Java has been installed in our Windows operating system or not. For checking, we will need to open command prompt. For opening command prompt, by clicking on Windows logo key and type cmd, hit enter. After that, we will need to type Java space hyphen version and hit enter. As you see, Java is not recognized as internal or external command. It means Java is not installed in our operating system. Now, first we will need to download Java. Go to browser and in search box type Oracle Java download. Click enter. As you see, first link from Oracle. Click on this. Here you can see Java 17 is available now. It means Java 17 is the latest version and this should download the latest version. Now scroll down. Here you see Java is available for Linux, Mac and Windows. We will need for Windows. Click on Windows. Here you see the 3 version is available. We will need for exe file. Here you see x64 installed in. So click on second link. As I already downloaded the Java, so I cancelled it and go to download folder. Close the browser. Open folder. Open downloads. Here you see the Java is already downloaded and right click on this. Click on open. As you see, the installer is open. It requires permission. Click on next. Here you see the install path, the default path for Java. Click on next. You see the Java installation is started. It may vary upon your system speed. So please wait for some time until it finished. As you see, the Java is successfully installed. Here the message displayed successfully installed. Click on close. Now we need to set system environment variable for Java. For that, firstly we will copy the path. For copying path, we will go to this PC and C drive. On C drive, the program folder. Here you see the Java is appeared, the Java folder. Click on this, Java 17. Click on this. Now go to bin. And here is the path. Copy the path. Control C or just clicking, right click. Here you see the copy option. Now close the folder. Hit window logo key and type system environment. Here you see system environment variable. Click on open. Environment variable. Click on this. There is two paths. First one is this and second one. If we set path for variable user A, it means the Java is only accessible for user variable A. If we set path on this path is for entire system. It means if we create user, n number of user in this system, the n number of user will access the Java. So that double click on this. Now click on new. Here we'll just paste the path by Control B. Now click on OK. Click on OK. And here we click on OK. Now we will check the Java is installed or not. For this, by click window logo key and type cmd. And after that, type Java space hyphen version. Click OK. Here you see Java version 17 LTS version. It means Java is successfully installed in our system. That's all, my friend. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it thumbs up and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe our channel.